Let's, in the meantime, take you the updates coming in as far as when it comes to solidarity for Hassan Nasrullah is concerned. That is not only coming in from the leaders there in Jammu and Kashmir, but also from the leaders when it comes to the opposition parties. In fact, TMC MP Saket Gokhale has gone as far to call those referring to Nasrullah as a terrorist stupid. Yes, that's the same man who has referred to as master murderer by Israeli Prime Minister Netanyahu as a man of peace mission for some in India. Let's get in a word from Rishabh. Rishabh, quoting Saket Gokhale, where he has been saying that your country and your shamelessly promoting Khalistani activists, calling them activists. And here, when it comes to stupid terms like terrorist for Hassan Nasrullah just to please Israel, that is when the Canadian MP that he was, the Canadian PM rather, that he was replying to, that has been the response that has come in from the TMC leader. Rishabh.
Well, definitely. I mean, if we see, first thing we need to tell our viewers that there is a certain way to call someone terrorist. In India, as of now, Hassan Nasrallah, or for that matter, Hezbollah, is not a banned organization, and that's the reason that even Government of India did not use the term terrorist for it. Here, in exchange, the tweet exchange that we are looking at between the TMC MP and Prime Minister Justin Trudeau of Canada, in a way, Saket Gokhale is also hitting out at Justin Trudeau, saying that in your country you shield Khalistani terrorists, calling them activists, while to please Israel you are calling him a terrorist. So, there is definitely a parallel that cannot be drawn, but it is being drawn. But definitely, the way we have seen, we have just reported from Jammu and Kashmir, or we have seen the statements coming in from various leaders, from political to religious, where we also need to understand that Hezbollah as a Shiite force is seen by many as hero in Middle East as well, and here in India as well, there are a lot of sympathy, a lot of support for the Shiite force called Hezbollah. But having said that, the way Hezbollah began its function and the way it turned into an autocratic, cannot call it a terror organization, given that Government of India do not recognize it as a terror organization, but definitely the terror of Hezbollah in the area cannot be denied.
All right. So this is what, as far as the idea for the Israeli Defense Forces had come out with when they shared that information, saying that Nasrullah will not be able to terrorize the world anymore, confirming his killing. Please do stay on with us, Rishabh, because we also talk about when it comes to this ecosystem, which seems to be sympathizing with terrorists, which is not, unfortunately, a new phenomenon in the country. In the past as well, Mehbooba Mufti wanted to give a chance to Hizbul commander Burhan Wani, who was killed by our forces in an encounter where she even questioned the execution of the parliament attack convict Afzal Guru. She has also insisted on talks with rogue state Pakistan. But imagine when it comes to shedding tears for Hezbollah chief Hassan Nasrallah, who a man has had no bearing when it comes to the Indian political landscape. Now, this is being branded by the BJP as an attempt to push a pro-terror narrative in the middle of the assembly elections, which are taking place in the Union Territory of Jammu and Kashmir, with the Assam Chief Minister Himanta Biswa Sarma questioning Mehbooba Mufti and Omar Abdullah on their stand on the matter. He asked that when our terrorists target our forces, why don't they shed tears then? With former Union Minister and BJP MP Anurag Thakur, who is also questioning when it comes to the selective outrage of NC and the PDP, while questioning them over their silence on the plight of Bangladesh हिंदूस।
कहीं भी किसी को मार के गिराया और उनका देश का काम है, हमारा कुछ बोलने का कुछ नहीं है। लेकिन वहां में हसन नसरुल्लाह का मर्डर हो गया और आज कश्मीर में महबूबा मुफ्ती बोल रहा है कि हम चुनाव प्रसार नहीं करूंगा, हम दुखी है किस लिए हसन नसरुल्लाह का मर्डर हो गया है। मैं महबूबा मुफ्ती, फारूक अब्दुल्ला, राहुल गांधी सबको पूछना चाहता हूं, जब हमारे कभी कोई जगह में हिंदू का मर्द होते हैं, आतंकवादी हिंदू जवानों को मारते हैं, तब आप लोग दुखी होते हैं कि नहीं होते हैं, ये कृपा करके हमें बताइए।
आज तक जम्मू कश्मीर में आतंकवादियों का, अलगाववादियों का और पथराव करने वालों का समर्थन सहयोग करते रहे। आज अगर दुनिया भर में कहीं आतंकवाद के खिलाफ कार्रवाई होती है तो नेशनल कॉन्फ्रेंस, पीडीपी और कांग्रेस जैसी पार्टियां उनके समर्थन में नजर आती हैं। उनको गाजा तो नजर आता है, लेकिन ढाका में हिंदुओं की हत्याएं नजर नहीं आती। उनको जम्मू कश्मीर के हजारों लोगों की हत्याएं याद नहीं आती कि ये राजनीतिक दल तुष्टीकरण की राजनीति के चलते चलते इस तरह से अपनी रैलियों को रद्द भी करते हैं, आतंकवाद का समर्थन भी करते हैं। ये लोकतंत्र के पक्ष में नहीं है, आतंकवाद के समर्थक है।
जब विदेशों का मामले जब देश में उठाए जाते हैं, जब फिलिस्तीन के नारे देश में लगते हैं, तो ये एक खतरनाक बात है। और उससे भी खतरनाक बात यह है कि कुछ राजनीतिक दल वोट बैंक की खातिर ऐसे तत्वों को बढ़ावा दे रहे हैं, संरक्षण दे रहे हैं, जिससे ऐसे लोगों के हौसले बुलंद हो रहे हैं। ये देश के लिए शुभ नहीं है।
Well, that is how the leaders from the BJP have been criticizing when it comes to the parties there in Jammu and Kashmir, including the PDP, for showcasing their solidarity for Hezbollah chief and accusing them of not siding with our martyrs. With that, we head into a short break.